From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Question 59 of NECO 2025 is on differentiation, and it says differentiate 3x minus 2 to the power 2 with respect to x. So how we do this, recall that if y is equal to x to the power 5, what we do is the y, the x, multiply this, 5x, subtract 1 from this, that's 4. However, if it's a function of a function, so if we have y equals to cos 3x, we differentiate the inner function and then differentiate the outer function. That is chain rule. So the y, the x, to differentiate 3x, we have 3 times, to differentiate cos 3x, we have minus sine 3x. So this is minus 3 sine 3x. So this y equals 3x minus 2 all square. The y, the s will be differentiate the outer one, which is 2 times 3x minus 2 times differentiate the inner one. If I differentiate 3x, I get 3. If I differentiate 2, which is a constant, is 0. So this is simply 6 3x minus 2. And if I open the bracket, this will be 18x minus 12. That's D. Thank you for watching.